Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to enable or disable Raise to Wake screen function on your Samsung Galaxy S6 watch. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, what is this function Raise to Wake screen? So basically, when the watches are on your hand and you raise your wrist like this, the screen will automatically turn off. Let me show you how it works. And the screen turns on. And now, how to disable this function? For that, we need to turn on our watches, swipe up once, and open these settings. After this, you need to scroll through tabs until you will see tab named Display. You click on it, scroll lower, and right here you can see this Raise Wrist to Wake. You can disable it by clicking on this slider, and also enable the same way. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.